Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel called Family, and today we're at a lovely little, well, a big nature reserve place. Right now I'm standing on this big place of gravel. Yeah, look how big the lake is too. There's mullards and different ducks everywhere, guys. And there's a little owl hide out there, which is really cool. You guys might not be able to see it, but it's really cool.
An owl box.
On a walk with me. So yeah.
Fun.
So guys, look at the ducks. There's a coot just behind there too. They're really cool. They're starting swimming away now. I like ducks. They're really cool.
Fun.
So guys, we've got the little guide thing, and it tells you like what you can find. There's grass snakes, otters, lapwings, little egrets. I don't know how to say it. And the widgeon.
A widgeon?
Yeah, something like that. And then guys, it says we are here near the viaduct hide. That's guys, look how high the water is. If you really able to spot it, come along.
Well, look, hang on, there's a train coming. Train. Let's go over there. Let's go over there, shall we?
Yeah, let's go there. So you guys, there is like a hideout thing. Here. Oh yeah guys, I found this big stick and I'm just using it like this for some reason. So there's like a really cute little hideout. And it's like, look at this.
It's a big old oak tree.
Great. Why don't we go over there now? Let's go over there. So guys, this is an oak tree, and there's loads of like little things where the squirrels would be. There's lots of tops.
The acorns.
Acorns. Look.
Oh, cool.
This is so cool.
Fun.
So guys, there's a little lookout here. Well, not a lookout, it's somewhere where you can like nice place just to be like, oh, this is very peaceful.
Peaceful with a noisy train just gone past.
Oh yeah, true, it's not very peaceful, but it's quite nice just to
Let's
stand.
follow the river.
Let's follow the river.
One.
So, you guys, there's like some really big tree. I'm not going to pull any of the branches or anything because it like takes it down or anything. So if you guys can't hear me or I'm shouting or something, because it's like
a wigwam
it's
tree.
Quite far away from me. This is really cool because it's like a little wigwam. Here. You'll never guess what's in my hand. There is a little snail shell. There's no snail in it, there's just a shell there. But it's so cute, look!
Fun.
So guys, there is like a rope swing here. I'm obviously not going to go on it because I might like fly off. I don't want that to, well, as she says, she goes on it. I'm not going to fly off of it. And it's on like this really sturdy rope.
One.
So guys, we've got a really good shot here of the viaduct. I keep on saying it wrong, but it is viaduct.
Goes all the way down there.
It's all the way down there and all the way over here. This was probably made in the 1800s by hand. So guys, there's a bench here and it's got like a nice view. And behind it is
The viaduct is massive,
It's so big, guys.
isn't it?
And then over here, there's a... Guys, look at this really pretty shot of the viaduct.
You can hear a train coming.
Oh, can I try it up, guys? So big. We saw a really big one earlier. So yeah, bridge.
One.
Really nice view, guys. And look at the viaduct.
It's massive.
So pretty. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Love you, see you soon. Bye!